Hi there, welcome to 110 RC Scale Tales, a very special episode. Introducing my good friend Jason Dale and his channel RC Adventures. And why are we doing a video together? Because we're going to do a series over the next 6 weeks or so, and it's going to be our FTX budget build-off.
Indeed.
Do you want to tell them more what we're going to do?
Yeah, so what we're doing, guys, is basically similar to what you have seen online with Scale Builders Guild and Harley Designs, where we've chosen a budget truck around £170, and the idea is we're going to do, like Mark said, probably a series of 6 to 7 weeks where we get a budget of £50 a week to spend on the rigs, upgrading whatever it is that we want to put in the truck. And the idea is to try and make it perform better than what it already is out the box. So stay tuned to that. Let's see what we choose. And we've also got a free week. So anything that we've got in our bins at home, we can use. Now there is a limit on that as well. So we're not going to go £100 worth of stuff that we've got free at home. So Mark and I'll talk and we'll put together a bit of a limit on that. Yeah. And we'll take it from there. So we hopefully you guys enjoy the series. And over to Mark.
Yeah, so as we said, we're doing a nice little truck from FTX, newly released at the latter part of 2021. It's the FTX Outback 3 Paso. You say Paso, I say Paso.
Mexican Americans.
Paso. So we've got one each. So we'll get one of them open. Do you want to go ahead?
Yeah, let's unbox one and we'll pull it open and show you guys what we've got. I'm probably not going to be in the shot here, but we'll try. We've also varied colours. So I've gone for the yellow / green, with any luck. It is. Small transmitter. And Mark has gone for the blue one. And this is never going to be as simple as, let's see, if you want to go that end. There we go. There we go, that's a nice looking little truck.
Yeah, very cool.
And none of us have opened this before, so it's a first time viewing for us both. And to be honest, it's quite a cool little truck. So lots of upgrades to come, and
So what I'm thinking immediately is, what are we going to upgrade? Because out of the box, it's actually quite a comprehensive little RC truck for £179 or so. And you're getting beadlock wheels, 1.9 beadlocks, really nice tyres. It's got an intelligent lighting system, I believe.
The lighting system, from like you say, is actually quite comprehensive. So we'll have to figure that one out.
So already got scale accessories on it, so I think it's going to be more than a challenge actually trying to upgrade the thing. It'll be fun. I'm going to take the blue one out and see how we can.
Yeah, let's get the blue one out.
So here we go.
Oh, you're right. It's a two-man job to get it out of the box.
There we go. So there's the blue one.
That's really cool.
Yeah. Actually a metallic blue, which is very nice.
Yeah.
Very cool. So there we have it. These are the FTX Outback 3 Paso.
Yeah. Don't know.
I don't know.
PA50 FTX according to the number plate. Right, so let's talk through the truck very quickly. Obviously Lexan body. Starting at the front, we've got a nice plastic grille, plastic bumpers. There's also small little areas where you could probably put in little spotlights in there. Now, as we said in the main video, that there's also quite an intensive light kit that goes through various different operations. So once we've got all the batteries plugged in and all the rest, we'll go through that. As Mark said, 1.9 beadlocks, some really nice scale looking tires, and to be honest, they're actually quite grippy. I don't know, we'll see how they do on the trail. Obviously comes with snorkel. You've got little fold in and fold out mirrors, which is a bonus for not breaking them on the trails. Little roof rack, We've got some plastic sliders. Let's see what's on the back of the truck. Obviously, okay, we've got the same wheel that we've got on the truck itself, with a little spade and a little axe. It's also got rear lights as well. So that'll be quite interesting to see this all lit up and running. And obviously you've got, it seems to be fairly decent oil-filled shocks. Little metal covers, which is a nice little touch. Might actually be able to swap these out for brass, if we can find them, to add a little bit of weight. So yeah, externally guys, I must say I'm quite impressed.
Excellent.
Go for it.
Okay, thanks Jason. So let's have a closer look on the inside of the truck. So I've got my blue one here. What I've done is there's two body clips which are positioned underneath. I've taken them out already because they are a bit fiddly. But what actually happens is you find that the body's actually hinged at the rear, which is absolutely fantastic. But what I've noticed immediately is the wiring is a bit short from the ESC to the lighting. So I'm guessing care needed when you open this, otherwise you're going to yank these wires out. So that's maybe something to look at as part of our challenge, is maybe sorting that out, because
yeah, that's interesting.
We kind of haven't thought that through. But looking at the chassis, it's metal rails, twin metal rails, oil-filled shocks, a tiny 390 motor, which is probably the smallest RC motor I've got, 1/10 scale. So it'll be interesting to see how that performs. Yeah, it comes with this a NIM battery. The ESC is a System 3, and it's also your TX, RX, TX, what is that?
Yeah, TX and RX built in one.
Yeah. So it'll be interesting to see how that, I believe they're LiPo ready.
Oh, it's just come loose.
With a Dean's connection. So immediately, well, I won't bother with the NIM battery. I'm just going to straight in with a 2S or even a 3S LiPo, and let's see what happens. E-tronics ES060 waterproof servo on the front. I know nothing about FTX. This is my first FTX, so it'll be interesting to see how it performs. But looking at it, it looks very, very comprehensive. You're getting a lot of truck for the money, and I think we actually paid $169 for these. Yeah. I'm going to give them a shout out, Time Tunnel Models in East Lothian. If you haven't been there, have a look at them, because lots of good RC stuff over there. But $169, about £10 cheaper than most places in the UK. Yeah, anything else you want to say about the inside?
No, I think that, to reiterate what you said, is that it looks to be a well put together kit. I mean, that, to be honest, has just got some double-sided tape, which seems to be pretty weak. So yeah, you'd need to, take care when you open it up that you don't rip any wires off. But other than that, I mean, it's standard, I guess, 3-gear transmission, single speed. It'll be interesting to see how it goes.
Yeah, excellent. So I'm thinking our £50 a week for 6 weeks, maybe.
It might be a bit much.
I'm thinking what I might do is then just put the money together and buy a TRX, and that'd be my upgrade.
I'm not sure that's quite legal.
That's not the challenge, but we might have to revise how much we're spending. So maybe I don't know. Let's see what happens now the challenge develops. So let's have a quick look at underneath, because I haven't looked underneath. Let's see.
Let's flip it over. Okay, so yeah, is that 4-link? No, it's 3-link.
4-link?
No, it's 4-link. Yeah, it's 4-link.
Yeah.
That's quite cool. On the drive shafts. Oh, okay. There's actually metal.
Metal drive shafts.
So, metal,
so there goes another upgrade that I was planning to do. Whose idea was this to do a challenge?
I wonder.
Yeah, I think it was mine actually.
Good little skid. Yeah, to be honest, I think it's going to be quite a struggle to spend £50 a week on that. Yeah, we might need to revise that, yes.
Anyway, so let's, to close this, there's the blue one. I'll get the yellow one in the shop. I'm looking forward to getting these out in the trail, seeing what upgrades we can do, and we'll take them over rocks, we'll take them through the woods, through mud, through water, we'll take them up to Ruby Beach, which is, I would say, is the best UK crawling location that I found anyway. Yeah, there you go. The FTX Outback 3, Paso. Who knows?
Excellent. Guys, remember, do us both a favor. Hit that subscribe bell and smash that notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Really goes a long way, helps our channels and helps us grow. And it's very, very much appreciated. Thanks, guys.
Excellent. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll keep you updated with weekly videos, and the next one will be a running video.
Yes, indeed. We'll head out on the location. What we plan on doing is running them completely stock, putting either a LiPo or the nickel metal hydride battery in, and just running it completely stock and see how it performs. And then later on we can do a comparison between now and then and see, has the money we've spent helped?
Or not.
We'll see.
Okay,
Or not.
anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers, man.